Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I am Vashan Brown. We begin with currency trading today as the Jamaican dollar continued its downward spiral, losing 11 cents to the US dollar. The US currency is now going for 136 Jamaican dollars 54 cents, a new record high price for the greenback. The Canadian dollar is also up by 16 cents, closing the day at $105.06. The pound is going for $173.72, while the euro closed the day $159.64 on average. Oil prices settled lower today. Oil for delivery in September is down 43 cents to settle at $67.20 a barrel. The JC index lost 802 points today, while the junior index gained 31. Among the winners today were AMG Packaging and Paper Company, Berger Paints, Cargo Handlers, Dermont Trading, Express Catering, Honeybun, Iron Rock Insurance, and the Jamaica Broilers. On the losing side were Burrito Investments, CAC 2000, Elite Diagnostic, Fosrich, Jamaica Producers, Kingston Wharves, Lasco Distributors, Main Event Entertainment, and NCB Financial Group. And that's the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Good evening.